Lewis Sumner on the front row with Eric Smith alongside, about to get the go, and it's a nice ordered grid, and the pole position driver in the form of Lewis Sumner was that, or Eric Smith, who was on the pole again?
It was Smith back to the inside. Sumner initially took the advantage. Smith grabbed the lead, but they're both going to be snookered going into Spoon. And yeah, but this is a very impressive drive, because Ivan Shellington, he was getting bounced around by like a pinball. Speaking of which, we got 3 wide for the front.
Yeah, here we go. Change for the lead. It's Eric Smith, who again sliding a little bit wide, and that's a tin opener he's used to get through there. Certainly from our camera perspective, we've got Eric Smith. Is he still leading? It's 2 XKart drivers now at the front of the field.
Yes, no, it's Lewis Sumner.
It's Lewis Sumner who's come through, and on the way down the hill towards the carousel.
They're coming up on a bit of slower traffic as well. One driver that's been off track, that's Matt Scott.
He's dropped 14 places, did Matt last lap.
He's obviously had some form of off-track excursion, and he's doing his best to get out of the way.
Well, Emma, you certainly bringing the XKart team good luck, because they're leading, and a bit of defensive line there from Sumner just stops that opportunity for Riley Bishop to maybe have a look. He's finding it hard to actually get on terms and have a challenge with Lewis Sumner, because Sumner has drove an absolutely outstanding middle of the race to that flag there to take the superheat win. Lewis Sumner, Eric Smith, Riley Bishop. Who's going to beat Riley Bishop? That's the question. Oh, they're the culprits, are they? I missed that one.
Oh yes, they were they were the culprits. As we are off and racing here at Glan-y-gors Superheat B for the junior road tax field up towards Spoon. Curve we go.
Sumner, Bishop, Smith, they're in second, dropping to 1.3 seconds from Sumner. So Sumner is getting away.
Next time by, it will be 1 lap to go.
1 lap to go then, and it's been Lewis Sumner who has dominated this second superheat. He's been very, very consistent, very composed at the lead of this field. As the checkered flag flies then, Lewis Sumner, Eric Smith, Riley Bishop third. Quick rundown.
Yep, quick rundown.
Quick rundown. Lewis Sumner and Eric Smith. No surprise to see Lewis on the pole position. They're the front row. Anything can happen, and it's Riley Bishop's Lewis Sumner teammate that leads the field away, and he gets jumped at the start from Eric Smith.
Now, in the previous race, we saw Ultimate R driver Ayers, Noah Hudson Round, and Dom Ayers,
who's with
Motorsport, sorry. He timed the start perfectly outside of row number 1. Now we have to wait and see if we've got a new leader. Lewis Sumner has just passed Eric Smith, because that was what I was going to say. I was going to say Smith safe.
So we've got 3.5 minutes and 1 lap remaining. We've got Lewis Sumner off and away. Eric Smith is still in second place, because we've got Lewis Sumner who gets towards the final stages of his weekend. Not just his race, not just his Junior Road Tax final, but of round 3 of the Junior Road Tax Kart Championship. And here we go, 2 more corners. This corner, and it's XKart and TB karts that take the win with Lewis Sumner, the driver, aboard. Eric Smith takes second. Riley Bishop takes third.